Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is Sunday and we're gonna make some lumpia for later on. This is for, so that your friends will try it. Magluluto ako ng lumpia because we're gonna go to my husband friend's house later on. And then I want them to try lumpia. So, I'm gonna cook it now. So, just my camera, don't forget. So um I have garlic. My husband already chopped it for me. Onion and some carrots. Tapos yung yung ground pork ko is nilagyan ko siya ng salt, pepper, and oyster sauce para masarap siya. Masarap siya kapag, kapag kainin mo. Para ma-absorb niya sa loob yung may lasa yung niya, yung meat. Hindi lang yung, alam mo yun. Gets niya yun. So, iniinit ko lang yung oil and then we're gonna start to put the onion and garlic and the carrots. And then I got my spring roll wrapper in Asian store kung saan ako nakabili, which is nasa videos ko. You have to check it if you wanna know kung saan namin nabili yung spring roll na maganda siya kaysa egg roll. The first ever na tinry ko yung egg roll, hindi siya maganda. Parang nagbabubbles yung niya kapag mo na siya i-fry. Nagbabubbles yung wrapper itself, so hindi siya maganda. And this time, it's really good. Kasi nahanap namin yung magandang klase ng wrapper. Kasi diba naman sa Pinas, we just made our sa market, diba, mabibili mo lang siya ng magkano. And then you have a good kind of wrapper. Dito meron naman, pero hindi lang talaga yung hindi sakto sa gusto natin, diba? Because we're used to homemade na wrapper. So ngayon, yun lang yung plano namin today. And then yung asawa ko gumawa siya ng kagabi, hindi ko siya na-film. Gumawa siya ng cherry pie. And then natapos na, dadalhin din namin yan for later on. Tapos, hindi ko siya na-film kasi dito yung kapatid niya. And then yung mga yung dalawa niyang yung nephew and niece niya. So we're gonna put the onion. I think the more onion is way, tastes way better. And also, siya dalawang pork, ground pork yung din namin. Dalawang pack. I don't know kung ilang kilo yun. But here, it's like pounds. Also, din yung onions Like, kahit madami siya, kapag maluto siya, kapag siya sa oil, nagiging konti na lang. Nalagay ko na yung garlic. So, lalagay ko na yung carrots. Hindi ko siya iba-brown yung onion and garlic kasi parang ano na siya kapag, alam mo yun, yung lasa niya. So, ilalagay ko yung carrots. Kapag, kinagat mo, lalasahan mo yung onion and yung, buwasin ko na lang yung carrots. Kasi madami akong karne. So, ilalagay ko na yung pork, guys. Parang gusto pang mawala ng pork.
Why you have so many spoons?
Yeah, because it's hard to use just one hand. It's playing the game while we're... Wow!
Hold on.
That's all over the...
I thought maybe 5 multitaskers would be better, but I was wrong.
No.
What?
It's not like that.
Second place?
Ganyan na yung niya. Yan. So, nalagyan namin ng dark soy sauce. Pero wala siyang salt or anything. Para parang magkulay lang siya. Naaamoy ko na siya. Ang bango. Parang masarap yung mix sa kanin. My love, can you try this, please? Yung taga-tigil ko. Yeah. I haven't put oyster yet, but just in case if it's salty. Yeah, because I put the pork, it has already oyster sauce, so it's a pretty well. Or did you put the bone?
Went down a little bit.
Okay. I like how juicy it is. I need to put more oyster?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
Maybe
Just one.
taste it. Maybe a little salt, or some pepper, something to.
Okay, yeah.
A little bit, nothing crazy, just a little touch.
A little. Gusto ko yung lumpia is, siya, kapag kinagat mo siya, juicy yung loob, hindi siya dry. Ayoko ng lumpia na dry. It smells so good. Parang ulam na. It's really good. Sarap. Masarap ulang kami. Nyo guys. Sarap niya ulam. Nakano yung light, so turn this up. Ayan. Hindi siya magkita, so yan. Let's start wrapping. Hindi pa siya, baka tumigas. Medyo pa siya frozen yung wrapper. ang liit niya. So, kailangan talaga you know how to malinis yung kamay ko. So, don't worry guys. Wash my hands before I do this. Ano? Sarap. Madami yung nilagay ko. It's fine. Ito. Ano siya, maganda siyang wrapper kasi hindi siya makapal. Yung egg roll makapal, pero yung spring roll manipis siya. Maliit lang, pero okay na. Okay sa akin. Konti lang yung ano ko yung ilalagay ko. Kasi yun, parang madami. Pero okay lang siya para at least, ano siya, full of meat inside. Kasi yung asawa ko bumili siya ng lumpia sa may Filipino store dito. Hindi niya pil. Did you like the lumpia that you bought in Filipino store last time?
No. Well, with the one from
Filipino store. In Leo's barbecue.
no, at the Leo's barbecue, I don't know. Although you know you're missing. Well, I don't know if you're missing it, but you know sometimes they have that sour element.
I don't like to put lemon on my lemon
Right,
juice.
I'm just saying.
It's up to you if you wanna put that, but for me, I don't put it in my.
Yeah, no. I agree. A lot of them have that sour element. I don't enjoy that.
The lumpia shouldn't have like sourness in it, unless the pork is spoiled. That makes it sour.
The pork is what?
The pork is spoiled. Spoiled.
Oh well, no. I don't know about that.
If it's like it's been sitting in the freezer for, if you don't know when is it, you know, when it's been sitting in there, makes it spoiled. Let's remember when you came over the Philippines for the second time, and we ordered lumpia in Christmas. Was it Christmas?
Yeah, Christmas.
And it's spoiled, like it's sour.
Did you remember the one from your church was really good.
Really good. Yeah, because that's a fresh one.
Yeah, that was like really good.
Because you make fresh lumpia, it's really good. But if it's you order it or you buy it outside, sometimes, you know, it's not the one that you were expecting to have. kakatapos ko lang hindi ko pala napakita sa inyo. Ito na yung ginawa ko. So, 49 pieces siya. Good for yun mamaya. Tapos, ito yung ginawa ng asawa ko. Cherry pie para later on.